Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect Antigravity to GitHub. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to create a GitHub repository. So you're going to go to GitHub and click new repository. Give it a name, description, just choose your configuration, and then finally click on create repository. So once you have created that, you're going to copy the repo URL. So you will get something like https://github.com with your username and then your repository.git. So you're going to go to Antigravity, and inside your Antigravity project, you're going to open terminal or CLI. And here you're going to type in the command git init. After that, you're going to add your files within git. So type in git add dot and then commit. To run that command, you're going to type in git commit flag of m and initial commit. After that, you're going to link to your GitHub. For that, you're going to type in git remote add origin and then paste your copied URL over here. And finally, you're going to push your code. For that, you're going to type in git branch flag of capital M main and then git push flag of U origin main. If git asks for login, so you're going to type down your username, that is basically your GitHub username, and password, that is the personal access token, not your real password. And after that, every time you update code in Antigravity, you're going to simply type in git add dot, git commit flag of M update, and git push. And this is exactly how professionals connect any development tool to GitHub. Even the tools with one-click connect use this in the background. So that is basically how you can connect Antigravity to GitHub. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.